Here's Digital Soul app, so digitalsoul.chat. And there's only a website, there is no iOS app, and you need to create your account with Google or Microsoft or email to start chatting. So here's, for example, I will show you. There is a chat history. Here's how the interface looks like, and then you can just start sending things in here. Then you can, refresh, flag it, continue. There is no restriction. You can see I'm in the free version and everything works. Then you can see conversations, chat styles, configurations, quite advanced configurations, memories, most important pieces, chat styles, conversations. You can delete conversations from here, character info. And then you can upgrade to Soul Plus yearly. Then there is a promo code here. I don't have it, but yeah, monthly. So yeah, something like that.